Somewhere out here in the fog is the pleasure pier, and out there is boats, I'm sure. They're probably stuck. I'm walking in the fog over here on the 37th Street jetty. I came down to get some vitamin D, and I hope vitamin D comes through the fog and gets on my body. It would be a lovely thing. But aren't these... It's kind of interesting with the sun coming through the fog. You can't see out there, but you see the sun. It's so pretty. Listen to the waves. Soak up a little vitamin D as the sound of the waves calms and soothes your soul. It's such a beautiful place. I love it. Pretty soon a wave will come up over the end down here. Hope you enjoy it as much as I do. Isn't that beautiful? Don't know what happened. My recording quit. Down that way is the pleasure pier, but totally hidden. And the sun's beating down a little bit over here on the water. Even though we can't see it, it's there. You can see the glimmer off of the water of the sun. Uh-oh, better scoot back. It got me that time. Waves are pretty tall. Here comes one. That was a puny one. Don't see any surfers out here, or if they're out here, you can't see them through the fog. We're all out here trying to soak up that vitamin D. Everybody's wandering around. All the men are wandering around without shirts on. I kept my shirt on just in case y'all want to know. There's some birds out here that you can see very close up, but when they get out beyond here, you can't see them. See, Galveston seawall is going under into the fog. Barely make out the people walking on the beach. can hear the birds, you just can't hardly see them. Soothing sound of the waves. I love them. I love them. It's so nice. I was trying to find a place I could sit down on the rocks, but I'm afraid I'm going to get all wet if I do that. And it's not exactly warm enough to get wet. Oh, there's a doggy over there. He's enjoying it. That's probably why the birds all flew off. He probably was chasing them.